Сабак.
Hello children, my name is Gulnaz. How are you? I hope you are all fine today and ready to work. Let's remember what you have learned last lesson. Yes, we learned classroom objects and we learned say it is a book, this is a book. It isn't a bag, this isn't a bag. Is it a pen? Yes, it is. Is this a pen? No, this isn't. Today we will learn the names of colors. Let's have classroom objects in colors. Prepare your books and notebooks, pencils and pens. Now look at the picture and say the actions. Words. Listen, listen. Repeat, repeat. Say, say. Write, write. Read, read. Match, match. Put in order, put in order. Okay, well done. Now open your books, page 85. Look at these colors. Listen and repeat. Repeat after me. Red, red. Blue, blue. Orange, orange. Green, green. Purple, purple. Yellow, yellow. Gray, gray. Black, black. White, white. Brown, brown. Okay, well done. Now children, open your copybooks and write these names of colors and spell them. Color. Red. R-E-D. Red, red. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue, blue. Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green, green. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow, yellow. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black, black. White. W-H-I-T-E. White, white. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown, brown. Orange, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange, orange. Purple, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple, purple. Gray. G-R-E-Y. Gray, gray. Now let's watch the video and remember the names of colors. Now children, look at the pictures and match the words with colors. Exercise 3, page 86. Red, number 5. Green, number 1. Orange, number 7. Gray, number 6. Blue, number 4. Yellow, Number 8. Purple. Number 2. Brown. Number 3. Now, boys and girls, look at this text. Let's read and find mistakes. Look, this is a chair. It is a black. It is a desk. It is yellow. It is a school bag. It is blue. It is a pen. It is orange. It is a pencil. It is purple. Now, let's find mistakes. Look, this is a chair. It is not black. It is white. It is a desk. It is not yellow. It is blue. It is a school bag. It is not blue. It is yellow. It is a pen. It is orange. It's right. It is a pencil. It is purple. It's right. Okay, well done. Children, look at the chart and read. Is it a white cat? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. It is a brown cat. Now, look and choose the correct answer. Is it green? Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Which answer is right? Yes, it is. Picture number 2. Is it red? Yes, it is. Picture number 3. Is it yellow? What do you choose? Yes or no? No, it isn't. Picture number 4. Is it brown? Which answer is right? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Picture number 5. Is it gray? Yes, it is. Picture number 6. Is it purple? What do you choose? Yes or no? No, it isn't. Now, let's learn what color of your pencil. Before it, we will learn possessive adjectives. Now, look at the picture and read with me. This is my pencil. My pencil is red. My is possession. This is your bag. Your bag is green. Your is possession. This is his book. His book is white. His is possession. This is her school bag. Her school bag is yellow. Her is possession. This is a pen. Its color is black. It's a possession. Our house is big. Our house is possession. Your car is white. Your is possession. Their books are brown. Their is possession. Now, ask the questions. What color is your school bag? My school bag is red. What color is your pen? My pen is blue. What color is his notebook? His notebook is white. What color is her marker? Her marker is green. What color is your pencil? My pencil is yellow. This video, I hope you liked. Children, draw your room and describe it. Then show to your teachers, okay? That's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye. See you soon.